Active electronic circuits are electronic circuits that use active electronic components, such as transistors, diodes, and silicon controlled rectifiers, or SCRs. Active electronic components require an external power source to operate. Transistors are commonly used as switches to control current flow and as amplifiers to increase the strength of electrical signals. When biased correctly, a transistor can either allow or block the flow of electrical current in an electronic circuit. Biasing is the process of connecting a direct current, or DC voltage, to the appropriate terminals of an active electronic component for its operation. Diodes are commonly used in rectifiers to convert alternating current, or AC, to DC. SCRs are used as controllers in electronic circuits to regulate the flow of current, enabling functions such as power switching, rectification, and protection in electronic devices. In power electronics, power converters use a combination of transistors, diodes, and SCRs to transform the input signal from one state or voltage level to another, facilitating efficient energy transfer and utilization. Active electronic components can also be configured to act as power supplies, providing stable and controlled power to an electronic circuit. Unlike passive electronic components, active electronic components enable the manipulation and control of input electrical signals to deliver the desired output electrical signals, making active electronic circuits fundamental in modern electronics,